Good morning, good morning, good morning.
It's a boy, just a joke.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, I just woke up. A message to one Igbo boy. I want to deliver message to that Igbo boy. Good morning. Hey. Okay, let me just start because I not there to waste too. Because today na Sunday, many people go church, many go cook for their husband. Tiger Crush, good morning. Lovely Casiro, good morning. Many people go cook for their husband, many go church, many go bath baby. You understand? Many go take care of their children. So may I rush drop this message before it pass boundary. Una know say I dey complain. I complain about somebody. And that person, he no wan do me rest o. The person not do me rest o. He not do me rest. Whether Emeka Nnamdi na be Facebook name I no understand. Whether na even fake am. Different things wey they send me kwa. Different things wey they send me kwa. Hey, different way they send me kwa. I don't know what he's up to. Whether I think maybe it's a setup. Like what I was thinking maybe it's a setup. You understand? Because I've never had such thing. What is this one? Okay. Because I've never had such thing whereby I've want him. I don't want him before. Say all this kind quark report. They say quark report na wire. All this kind quark report na wire. Me I know understand that piece Sunday. Me I no understand that. No, they do me quark report na wire. No, they do me quark report na wire. Ogechi matter no be my matter. Oh. Natasha matter no be my matter. For this social media where you all see, everybody get where they do on their own. I wanna be with you. Everybody get the way they take day for this social media. You understand? I dey social media no mean say maybe I lose my sense. I know wetin I dey do. You understand me? Most of things where I dey do my video and everything, una see they see am, my people, una dey watch am. Most especially my calling na dancing. Most especially my calling for this social media na dancing and cooking. I dey cook, I dey dance. Na my calling o. I fit wear pants, I fit use and dance. E no concern anybody. Na my calling. More we start, and they come. The video, man, search. Wait, Mona, wait. I dey search the video. This video wey he sent come. No be you buy my phone. Emeka Nnamdi or whatever is your name. You never buy phone one day say make I give you my house address. May you post the phone call my boss. In all day. So I use God beg you, Emeka Nnamdi, stop sending me all those nudes. All those sexy video, whatever video, people making love in video. Man and man, they make love. Woman and woman, they make love for video. People, they chew cucumber for Toto. Not they send me again. I don't fair warn you. Not they send me. As you see me, so any platform where I want to go watch my own video, I go enter there, go watch her. If not porn, they agree me. If not blue film, they agree me. I know website where I go watch my blue film. I know website when I go watch my blue film. My people, wanna wait. Man, sure now. Hey, When I see me see solution, and they come, I want show on the video. You know, say many people they write me. Many people they write me. Sometimes some of those videos, they'll go down, fair go hide. I don't see them.
My program. If you not listen to me, I'll cut out.
Aproko, if you carry the video, self, see them.
Now me the control. Now me they in charge.
But the main nude video, if I show that nude video now, I know I mean because of that one block this my Facebook page. They know they accept all those things. Okay. Natasha don't talk her matter come out here. What you call concern Emeka? Emeka unam diabi. I don't know what it be name.
Now my business. Wait, my tell you. Natasha, just imagine yourself now as you did day. You get daughter now, and your daughter they do this thing when you do for the same house when on a day. How you go feel?
Yeah.
My daughter they do the same thing what they do.
Maybe you know they do am now. You na good mother. Your daughter they do this thing when you they do. How you go feel?
So let me tell you something.
Natasha, wait, never reply her. You see, before Natasha go reply this idiot, fine. Whether they say no do Wabini or whatever. Say if Natasha daughter they do waiting, Natasha they do so for her, how she go feel? Oh guy, oh boy, you not get sense so. When you go ask that kind of question. Before Natasha come, they even they do her own. In mama already born and she don't grow to her age. If Natasha daughter still grow, say she won't do anything where she like, let her daughter do anything where she like. Concern you. Wait till.
So many ladies out there, just to use and themselves to control way. They're not they do anything with man. And they're living fine.
No, now they tell you now.
What they see for show glass, now they call her.
Now they call her Basha. Will not be lie.
So let
Ashawo where they see for show glass, and they call Ashawo.
Everybody make a common mat for my matter. Yes. I am from Igbo, I am from Agbo, I am from anywhere. I don't care to know. Okay? By the way, Ojua, I am from Agbo. You ask me, say, if you're from Agbo, where from Agbo? I am from Agbo B.
Yes.
I am from Agbo B.
Proudly Agbo guy. I know Natasha, and I don't
Natasha,
I know.
You not be Agbo, na lie, you dey lie.
Okay. I pause. I pause for there. You hear now? He said Natasha not be Agbo again and lie they lie. Wait. Natasha, she's typically Agbo girl. Typically Agbo girl. Okay, if they talk, they say Natasha not be Agbo girl. Make Natasha he say Natasha they lie for them. But if na Bini people now they sweet on a mouth. Any small thing, any small saga where they all see, don't say na Bini people, na Bini people na oh too much. Not only Bini they saga, not only Bini they do saga. If Natasha they do fioko, what it can concern you? What it can concern you? Now you be lecturer. You where they talk to Natasha, what thing you they do as a boy? You thought say you never do soapy. The boy self they do soapy. You say when they talk to Natasha self, if they use that they press a prick for there. Mona listen. Natasha na Agbo girl. Okay, because I say now na Agbo sister. Why people can mind their own business? Okay, mommy, you understand? Because of say, na Agbo girl now. Una say una Agbo sister don't come out. They do fioko. Una want to try to deny them. Say no be Agbo girl. Natasha, she's an Agbo girl. Oluchi na see Agbo. Mona listing. I dey call.
Another thing when I tell you say, no go they go naked again for Facebook. No go they finger yourself. Okay. No go they do all those things. It not just make sense. People not they it not just make sense. You need to stop them because you are a mother and you get pikin. Now I ask you the question when I ask you, say, as a mother, you can't find your pikin now, they do the same thing. Or maybe now you go stop that thing today. As you stop them, then after
the so-called do one and God go punish your mouth. You're not supposed to, even as they talk to her, you're not supposed to refer to her daughter. If you want to advise her whether may she stop, you go advise her may she stop. Not be say you cut and say if her daughter they do. And Natasha said maybe later I'll call the Natasha. Hey, if after maybe Natasha inside telephone from inside phone they give you one slap. If na me be Natasha, from inside phone, I'll they give the boy one slap. Now somebody come send me the video. He say, go see una people. Go see your people. They don't dey interview your people. Emeka Unandi, I be Unandi Emeka. Emeka Unandi, you go respect yourself. I ever bring your picture come out. If you want me to bring your picture come out, then in your bawe. I had bawe be social media. They go buy you. As you take the enter between the do soapy. If I bring your video come out, you respect yourself. Listen.
3 days, your picking start am. How you go feel?
My daughter, if you want look at himself, you go look and when you if you want
and
masturbate, make you masturbate, you know, because now something they come close to something when they say you go go and they do the things when
yes, sir.
you don't want to do for
yes, sir.
Now something they need something.
Natasha, you and Chichi na lesbian now, or the two boyfriend and girlfriend.
Okay, so whether you with Chichi na lesbian.
So what is the problem with it?
Puento.
Now my wife is big.
I bet. Hey. I feel cutting number one. I salute. Hey, my head don't scatter for there. My head, my dada scatter for there. You hear them? You hear what Natasha talk? Wait, make una hey, salo. I beg you, while I do my head, na dem my head, na dem my toto for carry glory. Na dem my head scatter. Toto blow whistle. Mona wait see. Now that place. Now this so-called Emeka Unandi. They say, make me go listen to. Say Natasha thought say he with Chichi. He with Chichi the friend. If Natasha and Chichi the friend, now you get the Mekus. Now una Mekus she take friends. Now this kind of thing. Now nothing that this kind of thing me they talk put. That's why they send me the video. Meanwhile, I don't first see the video before. Me, we did together for Instagram. Natasha, Chichi, all of us, Olushi, all of us, we did together for Instagram. We did watch them. Now night, when you go to their Instagram page, follow my page. Sometimes not be safe for maths. When you are on Instagram, for net, do something creative. Open your platform. Oh yeah, if na fear, cause they are fear yo. Mona listing.
Chichi na my wife. Chichi na my wife.
Mona, wait, Natasha, now you talk
Chichi na my wife.
You say Chichi na your wife.
Chichi na my wife. Yes, okay, I will boldly and talk it. Even I will go to her house on Tuesday. I will make a video and post it. Chichi is my wife.
But you know, people when I talk this thing before, people not just.
You hear now? He say Chichi na your wife. Natasha say Chichi na your wife. Yes, sir. She don't already tell you. You as a boy, don't already tell you which one you call the Zanzan because you know what they pay them. As you always say the girl say in a hard girl from Igbobi. She's really hard girl. She's an hard girl from Igbobi, from Agbobi. She's an hard girl from Agbobi. Now that hard boy where you hear because this boy na hard boy. Good morning, my beautiful sister. Thank you, darling. Now this word, as you always say Natasha na hard girl. He wants make it double cross that matter. Make Natasha for change mouth. Una dey hear so. Natasha na hard girl. Why be say if na Benin people now, hey, saga go dey switch there. They go say, no see all these Benin people. Now everybody wey dey do saga, not be all of us be Benin. Ishan dey, Yoruba dey, Hausa dey, Igbo dey, Agbo dey, we Benin see dey. Ishan dey inside. I mean, people plenty for inside this saga. You know you miss any saga one of yours say na Benin. Na Benin na spoil pass. Na Benin spoil pass. Even I say na Benin spoil pass, I'm proud. I'm proud say I be Benin boy. Because why? We be international prostitutes. International prostitutes. International prostitutes na Benin bio. Now so the boy writes me. He say why be say Benin people. Now say go watch the video where Natasha is an admiral girl. Natasha na admiral girl. Bros, how was your birthday party? Mwah. Wendy Paul Chimose, my queen. Mwah. The birthday party, I just celebrated it on my own with just little few friends because of the lockdown, this second lockdown now, so it get as it be. Because if I can't do one big like that, if the drive come my house, all this when I go to your tired, if the drive come, Etinero, that you are yours by special grace of God. After the lockdown, I will celebrate it big.
You understand that?
Problem with it.
That thing,
This is my
Big Mama.
girlfriend, of course.
I'm coming. Hey, he said chiching a girlfriend. Wait, man, see, man, reply to Big Mama. He said that thing pain well because of Agbo. Yes. Big Mama, now God will bless you. Because they all just say na Agbo. They'll say their Agbo sister don't carry cucumber, the fioko. They'll say their Agbo sister. They'll say this one na Agbo sister. Oh. Hey, they'll say this Agbo girl. Why you disgrace them? Not only Bini na they say. Many people they when they speak Bini, so not be Bini. So not be Bini, but they speak Bini well. Because they were born and brought up in Bini. Majority of them, they were born and brought up in Bini. It doesn't mean that because they speak Bini, they are Bini. No. No. You understand? Okay, you they interview her. She they tell you say.
No problem, now your choice. But what they try to tell you be say, now they use Agbo people take the front. Not
Okay.
they spoil Agbo. We get many girls for Agbo. When no go fit, they do all these things. And since you enter social media, you don't see any Agbo get they do all this kind. So what do they try?
You hear now?
Spoil Agbo people name.
You hear now? He say make he not go spoil Agbo people name. Agbo people will not be number one for Ashishi. Ashi. Agbo boys, Agbo girls, number one, they be for Ashi. Not be only Bini. Make una not carry everything on one carry they put for Bini people head. Agbo, they be number one for Ashi. Ashishi. See, during those days, for no way. If I tell you what the Agbo people they do for no way. If I tell you what the Agbo boys do for no way, you go hey. You go hey. You go hey. Not only no way safe. For here for Italy, you call. Italy here, you call. Italy for here, you call. Now, and I been on the sweet on a mat. Una Agbo sister don't come out now. Una say no. Una want try to divert her. Una not fit that. Una never know Natasha. If Natasha Oduwa, you will take time because if Natasha deal with you. Listen.
Agbo people take the front. Not they say you be Agbo or you be this, you be that. You don't know say you not be Agbo.
Now Agbo girl, she's from Agbobi.
Say you stay for whether now anywhere or go do anywhere or you know any street.
See the
You don't
boy
know say
mad
you
say
be
wait till the sock pre. See the boy mad as he wide wait till the
If
sock
I
pre.
not come from Agbo, where I come from?
Okay.
Now you know where you've come.
God go bless you, Natasha. May you leave that idiot.
You know,
I don't know where I come from.
you know where you for come, but not be Agbo. Say you
Oh my
speak
God.
Agbo, not say you be Agbo now. But wait, I want to ask you one question. You get what you they enjoy for this thing when you they do this program when you they hold like you they go naked online. What do you they enjoy?
What you can concern you? I feel called
I enjoy
Ashishi.
a lot of things.
Ashi bang bang.
Like what?
Can you give me time to
Sharabunsa.
Yes, explain.
Don't put me on.
Okay.
Just give me time to explain.
I hope say una dey hear am.
Okay.
Most people speak Bini and not Bini.
Number one,
Yes.
this thing, all these things I'm doing. If I take my room, they touch myself, I not go fear as a woman.
Una dey hear am.
But once I come to live video on Instagram or Facebook page, they touch myself, they suck my breast and all that. During like that, I could just come to feel as a woman. You hear me?
Utom.
I would come to feel like a
Come
woman
here,
at that time. But the
Upa.
time I saw
I don't people say Upa.
my boyfriend, like
Oh, network.
if a boy suck me at my breast, I don't feel anything.
You see am?
Yeah.
He say.
When I suck,
You see am? He say if boy suck am. Speak on. Yes, my darling. I dey here. Na me dey analyze am. I go saga am. Wait, all those things since then una say I never to come out, but I don't get the time now I wanted to come out now. Yes. All those saga where they don't saga throw away. I want renew am. I want renew all those saga where they don't saga throw away. Oh, I want renew am. Make the thing rise again. I beg people wey sabi rise matter. May we join us together. May we rise saga where don't throw away. May we rise everything come out again. May we rise them because I know the people like saga. People you like saga. So may we people when don't say they like saga. May we they give them. May they say they enjoy their stay. They are staying at home. They'll make they say they enjoy Wait, may we go on. He say if boys suck am, una dey complain say girl carry kokuba take dey do fioko. Boys where they go leak, boys where they leak uko, boys where they head uko. Una know say boys they go head them. Okay, when would they on Instagram live? I think some couples of days ago, I guess so. Yes, some couples of days ago, we were I'm Caribbean. Me say I'm Caribbean babe, but I am speaking small Bini. Okay, you see? This guy not well. Oh. The guy not I hope say not be me. This guy, the guy where they interview Natasha, they not well. Not be me. Because me, Mando, Ashish. There be Ashish Asharamunta. The boy, Natasha, wait. The boy they interview Natasha. Me, I love Saga. And now we they talk since. Now wait till we they talk since. Saga sweet, sure. Saga sweet. Sharamunta. My people, as I just wake up this morning, the boy sent another message come again this morning. Now say, this boy, although I never bring a picture come and it remains more time. You understand? She will understand me. Saga sweet, not be saying no sweet. This boy now, the boy they interview Natasha. One of his hand they say prick. He put one hand for his side prick. He de mio no himself there. He de mio no himself there. Asharamunta. He de mio no himself. This can you not see the boy mouth? See the boy lips. Not as his mouth wide. Wait till they suck. See the boy mouth self. Wait till they lalon. I believe you, my bros. See the boy mouth. Nah, guy not well. Now the guy not well, not be me, mama, because me are not saints. Because now I Aproko even carry the video. Aproko carry the video. The one they do for Instagram, plenty. Live on Instagram, everybody's trip. If you be boy, there was the very soon the Natasha and Chichi. They want to introduce even boys. You are my king. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Mwah. I love you, big mama. So, bros, no use laugh, kill me. I beg, laugh plenty. But laugh small, not laugh too much. Laugh plenty. So, you understand?
I see more. Talk my...
The boy say...
So good. And that time I put my hand in my body and lick. Don't know why.
Ew. Oh, me.
I will start said I have a boyfriend.
Gallant Jess, sister Mona laugh.
I just do it by myself.
But,
okay?
But another question when I for ask you, do you hear me?
Ask her, we dey here.
Which time you dey plan to stop this thing anytime soon, or not just waiting you won't continue?
It concerns you, Ashish.
Maybe one time you go stop her, or 1 week time you go stop her, or now waiting you want to do continuously.
The boy prick don't rise there because they interview. If they use how they do meow there.
I'm ready to come like 3 times, 4 times in a day.
Hey, Asakru. Oh, Bokosh. Now this is what they call. The girl say she's ready to come 3 to 4 times a day. After she don't finger herself, after she don't do her shish and sharamunta, after she don't enjoy herself, she would like to come 3 to 4 times a day. You know, if Percy they come, when Percy they release, it is sweet, It's sweet there. That's why now this thing she they try to tell the boy so make the boy for understand where. Say if Chai, who say Chai? This one allowed though. Nothing when Musa no go see for gates. Aboki Shama shoe. Fool me, please. Bessie, sorry, I'm still on. I will call you later. Timaya, you still remain the same. Timaya, you still remain the same since 2009. I miss you. 2009. Who is this? Do you know me? Do you know me? 2009. Sorry, I better not go cut. Well, I don't know. More not go cut this Afia Kodi matter. People they enjoy this Afia Kodi. Where would they talk so? People you the way they enjoy this Ashish matter, this Asharabunta matter where you they talk now. You understand me? So, as we are saying, she said she's ready to come. She's ready to come 3 to 4 times a day. Una know the kind of way be that one. This guy na policeman. The ask many questions like that. Not be any police, not manner. If na police, you they ask the girl question, make it for the finger, make himself for finger himself. The boy they masturbate himself. That's it. They ask Natasha question. As that boy they ask Natasha question, the boy said the finger himself. I'm telling you. If the boy not the finger himself for there, if or not they ask too much, if or not they ask too much question, if or not they ask Natasha too much question, I'm telling you, be honest with me, my people. Be honest. Be honest, Mona believe me. Mona be not the truth, now the right truth, now the talk. Let's continue. Natasha said she would like to come like 3 to 4 times every day. You know what it be? For person to come, that release where people they release it, they sweet. You know, say sex is one thing. Oh, sorry, my people. People they call inside. Not this thing with the talk. Then they call inside. I mean, may I drop WhatsApp number? Please stop calling in, or should I drop my WhatsApp number so that you guys can call WhatsApp? Stop calling in. I did busy. Mona wait. So, already, although Natasha said that, now.
To they touch myself, I not go feel anything. But when I come to all these things,
see the boy eye don't change. You know, see the way the boy take they perform. Wait. The boy eye don't change.
Now my program. If you not listen to me, I'll cut am. Listen to me, we are talk what you want to talk. Now me the control. Now me the in charge. As in
Godfather level I be waiting. Godfather reason. No Godfather reason for saga. Oh. My person. No Godfather reason for saga. Because of say they don't see and I say Natasha na Agbo girl. The thing don't enter their head. It don't sacra. They don't sacra for their heads. As they say, Natasha, you Agbo girl, one come and come disgrace them. All that's before uncle. All that's before. All that people before. No say now, no be only beneath the saga. Because of say people just do saga. Beneath what they sweet una format. Beneath the sweet una. Not be say format. Beneath, I'm proud to be a Beneath boy because why you know? At this Ashawo matter, I know say na Beneath start international. We not play local. When they say Italy, now Beneath gets veggie this Italy. Now they start Italy. Now they know what they did this time. Our mama time. During those years, now old women we don't advance, now they come Europe. Now short message I just want to drop for my beautiful people because it's a warning. Emeka Unandi, I'm warning you today. I don't warn you today. If you not take time, I will find I'll fit locate you. If now juju paper I work out they come for you. If this one you want give you so for media so not reach you, I'll go find someone to give you juju paper. Yari bebo gear there me because all I have do to agbe. Go me one me you if I show now things where this boy they send me. If I show now all those nudes, so can you talk writing as he go write, you shall not reply him. As he write, you shall not reply him. And the worst is not be my friend for Facebook, not be my friend. I don't know because you know say without being a friend, some people can send message. They will just send message into your inbox and you will receive it. So when they hear say Natasha na Agbo, Chichi too na Agbo girl. Chichi na Agbo girl now. What na they hide? What na want chat to come paint? When I want chat to come paint and come up for red? Now red shirt why you wear so? When I not paint that color, not paint am. Natasha, she has said it already. My brother, I disagree. Now Yoruba start Ashawo. Not be. Yes, you are right. Yes, now truth. Now Yoruba start, but wait till I mean. Now we now Benin people start international. International say that they carry guests go Europe, Italy. Monaco, Zagai. Now Benin people start. Now that's why we are international. That those years Yoruba play local. Now local, now Yoruba they play. That's inside room to room. Now inside room to room, Yoruba they do their hustle. Yoruba woman go there with you for us. If you be man, you marry Yoruba woman. And that house, that house owner for that place owner for rent one room. People wey dey una neighbor. Na rapper they take go dey meet another man for his house, they fuck now. So all those ones na local. Now Benin people play international. This guy na fool. Not mind the guy na fool now. You understand? Now Benin people start international because why? Make we not paint anything again. Because why? They try to insult Benin. But with the Benin, we are proud of ourselves. With the Benin, we are proud of ourselves. We wanna go Benin City today. We wanna go see what our fellow Benin sisters do for us now. Yes, now. We wanna go the Benin, we wanna go see what our Benin sisters do for us with this Italian money. You understand me? So not paint Natasha come off say not be she cannot be Agbo. She cannot be Agbo girl because it's say she don't do as she work. Say she don't come outside. If she come outside, concern you. Odu why concern you? Emeka Unandi concern me. Emeka Unandi concern me. Odu why he concern you? He concern you. Please let the lying dog lie, please. Please let the lying dog lie. Now just short message because the night they wake up so. I just say me I just chop up because I want to go do one or two. I have a lot to do today. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. I have a lot to do. So make una not paint I use God beg una. Now Benin people they sweet. Benin. This one say Benin. The other one say Benin Igbo. Agbo. Benin Isha. Benin, see when if they say those states, that those states where they all measure. Agbo not join us. So I'm not sure say Agbo join us. I don't know because me I'm not too specialized go those area. I just get area why I see specialized go. I know say Ishan. I know say Ishan. Ishan join us. He not get where with the fight they go. We and Ishan will still be one. Me sok by Bishop sok by can ye boy. We be say today, tomorrow. But now advice na ye boy try to advise him. Since he not take ye boy la will go leave them. Ye boy leave them, make you let them day. Leave them. Because mama boy and my mommy. Mama boy leave them, you let them day. You understand? Isha and Benin with the busy same. Even if we fight, we be like teeth and tongue. But now inside the same match we do. Yes, Isha and Benin will be the same. We be the same. Even if we fight for today, go to Jericho. Tomorrow we'll see come back to Jericho. Even if Isha and Benin fight come up for Jericho. Tomorrow Isha and Benin don't see go back to Jericho. They go see go back. They will see go back. I want you people see follow us. I want you see there on that those states. I want you they see for okay. Well, not say I want you sister. You get one with your sister again. The day was very soon I'll carry that one video come out later or tomorrow. Now Benin start now Benin people start during 80s. Yes. I know. During 80s. During that 80s now our mothers. I felt talking now mothers. Now women we don't advance, we don't born. Then they carry come Europe. Now they carry during those 80s. Now women we don't born, they come Europe. You understand? Now true women we don't born, we come Europe. Now they can't know say at least. See as they be. And before they can see introduce our small children, our small sisters enter. You understand? I'm not talking say Benin, me I not cause Benin. I'm not talking say Benin not be Ashish, not be Asharamuta. Good morning, Broderick. Me I not talking say Benin not be Asharamuta. So me they not change. Me I not talking. All tribe worst. Me they not they talk say Benin. Any smarty don't say Benin. Any smarty don't say Benin. More not they talking. All tribe now the same. There are the good, the bad, and the ugly. There are the good, the bad, and the ugly. Inside all tribe where God creates come this world, there are the good, the bad, and the ugly. Make we not dey paint anything. Make we not try to paint them. She is an Agbo girl. Natasha na Agbo girl. Chichi na Agbo. Natasha say Chichi na her girlfriend. So you leave it like that. Not try to paint her. Say she cannot be Agbo. Say she not be Agbo. She not come from Agbo. Wetin be that one? Wetin be that one? Now you born her. Now you born her. She think say she be small girl. She don't know where she for come. Or enjoyment she dey enjoy. You know what make she enjoy again? Let her leave her. Let her make she enjoy her enjoyment. Now you want to talk to her. If na me be Natasha self, inside phone they give you one slap. How they give na me be Natasha inside phone. As the boy the interview, I go they give the boy one slap for his iPhone. See me wanna see me say wahala wa reme o. I be made baby now. Now the so-called Igbo people they send that they come, they send the Igbo boy they send that they come, they send that they come, they send that they come. Now me you want send that can't give. Now me you want send that can't give. Watch it and be happy with whatever you see there. Just watch and be happy. This life, nothing did this life again. And make people just enjoy yourself, because once you die, just now nothing day again. I know how many people who will lost for Europe here. I know how many people. Don't still talk about the good way they do. Don't still talk about the bad times about them. But now wait till you just enjoy for this life. Now be your own. Now be your own enjoyment. Enjoyment you carry go. Carry go na bad market. Carry go na bad market. You understand? The poor girl they enjoy herself with cucumber or a finger herself. Okay, some girls just if man lick them, they know they on that, they know they like them than say they by themselves help themselves. Now so some boys they too. Even if they make love from today, go reach tomorrow, they're not going to enjoy until they do that one, the one way that they enjoy by themselves. Everybody get your past. Everybody get your present. So let's live for the future. Thank you each and everybody. Thank you everyone. Thank you everybody. Because I need to rush up time and go do 1 or 2. It's not easy. I need to go do 1 or 2 now. Thank you everybody. Stay blessed. I will come out again. I just want to rush me and do this money duty before people start to they come house. May I offer rush do money duty. May God bless all of you now.